Can an LLC keep profits? Yes, an LLC can keep profits within the business instead of distributing them to members right away. Many LLC owners choose to reinvest profits into the company for growth, marketing, or building cash reserves. For tax purposes, however, profits are still considered taxable income in the year they are earned, even if they are not distributed. In a single-member LLC or a multi-member LLC taxed as a partnership, the profits pass through to the owner's personal tax returns, whether or not the money is withdrawn. If the LLC elects to be taxed as a C corporation, the business can retain profits without passing them through. But those profits are subject to corporate tax rates. Zen Business can help you set up your LLC and choose the right tax classification so you handle profits in the most efficient way. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.